Welcome back to T Science Time. We haven't been posting videos for a while, but drumroll please. We're back! So in today's video, we are going to be doing science experiments with friction. So before we get into it, please leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy. What you're going to need for this experiment is just 2 books. 2 old books that you're not using anymore. What you're going to do is take one book, open it till the end of the page, and take the other one, open it to the first page. So you want to take one page of another book, stack it on top of another page just like this. When the pages rub together, they create friction. And when you stack each page up, it builds up the friction. So if you keep on stacking the pages, the friction will become so much that it will be hard to pull apart the books. So you just have to keep on stacking it until you get to the last page. This is gonna take a while.
"2,000 years later."
Last page. Then you can stop until you have something like this. Now you're just gonna try and pull it apart and see how hard it is. What? I'm actually trying my hardest to pull this thing. It is not working. Okay, well. In 3, 2, 1. Never give up. Well, that's friction for you. Now I have to try and separate this again and sort it. Well, on to the next experiment. For this experiment, we are going to be making a CD hovercraft. All you're going to need for this experiment is 1 balloon, a bottle lid, a CD, any old CD that you're not using or is just laying around, glue, and, well, markers if you need them, because I brought mine just to decorate it. So what you're going to do first is take your CD and customize it. I'm just going to write T Sci Time on mine. There we go. And a smile face. There we go. But then you're going to take your glue and put it around your bottle lid. Just like that. Cover all. You have to make sure it's enough so it can stick nicely to the CD. Then make sure to put it all of your CD like that. And make sure to put some extra glue on the edges so it's sealed. And then you're gonna wait until it dries. Finally, once your hovercraft is done drying, you're going to take your balloon and then blow it up. And finally, put your balloon over the lid like this. And then open your lid a little. And then your hovercraft is going to float on a cushion of air with no friction at all. So you can make these hovercrafts with your friends, your family, have races, and just have fun with it. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.